Hey, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life and welcome back to my channel. This is another process video for the telephone game YouTube Hop and I am the very first one. So I picked this off of my Pinterest and I am going to use this collection, which is from Simple Stories. I think it's Oh Happy Days what it's called. And I really loved how this turns out, and when I was like, ooh, I am going to be the first one this time, I am going to make a really good challenge. And the person after me is Sandy. So I will link her channel down below because as you guys know, this starts obviously on the 15th of February here, and then we go all the way through until the hop is done. So make sure that you go check out every day. So the person that's after me, since I'm the very first person, is Sandy, and then it goes from there. So as the days go on, I will link all of the channels to who it is in the hop with the link. So I am going to list the people down below, and then as they go through, I will link it down. And then obviously it'll loop right back to me. So I'm going to be very curious to see how this turns out, as I am a pretty good, I challenge these kiddos, or these ladies, I should say, not kiddos. I'm so used to teacher mode, so I'm sorry. I'm pretty good about challenging these girls in the Secret Not Secret Kit Club. So when Sandy saw that I was before her, she was super excited to get my challenge for this. So when I sent it over to her, she was pretty excited that I was the one that was going to be in front of her. So here I am. I am following this collection, or this Pinterest inspiration that I have that came from, let me pull it up here quickly. This came from, it is part of, it's Christine. It doesn't have her actual link, but it is based off of Simple Stories, and I just love the way this turned out. It's just perfect. So I took, like I said, I did a Simple Stories, but this is Oh Happy Day, and I literally do exactly what she does. I did add all of the strips off to the side. I did distress. I did also do everything all about it. And the photo that I have, I do make sure that I tuck it like she does. And I have my big element is this camera. So she uses a lot of little bits and pieces, which I do as well, but I wanted to do more of this camera style based, and I do change it up just a little bit. My title goes on top and whatnot. So this is of my really good friends, Dolly and Scrappy Amy. They both have YouTube channels, and we were at a retreat, and we all got the exact same cup, and it's called Adulting is Hard, I think, yeah. And they were from Target. That's where these three came from. And let me tell you, we always have fun. We made sure that one of the words was laugh, because that's all we do. We laugh and have fun every time we're together. And yeah, so this is pretty much now pretty much I'm going to embellish and go through and get everything kind of in line of where I want it. I'm going to put some stuff on foam tape. I come together and place all of my wording, and just in general, there's some tags. That's where my writing is going to go. And I just wanted to place them there to be able to do a bunch of journaling, and that's what I do. I do place all these random little things. This llama, there are flowers, there's hearts, this word that's called oh snap. The word in the middle, I think, is laughter. I add epic. I add just tons of different little things, because that's what she did in the layout from Christine as well. And I thought that this turned out perfect. I just loved how this is. So as you're watching me embellish down quite a bit of this and look at what I want to do, make sure that you do go check out Sandy, and then obviously, which will be tomorrow, and then you just go from there. And we have done this now. This is the 4th time we've done this hop for the telephone hop. So there is definitely other ones throughout my channel. You just need to find my thumbnail, which is the telephone game YouTube hop, as my thumbnail. And this is not the first time, and I still hope we keep going on this. It is just a ton of fun to do. And so yeah, so there it is. I am definitely getting all of these little bits and bobs put down. I do come back with them all now glued and written. And now pretty much after this, I then just add other little bits, and then I figure out my title, and then I splatter. And then that's pretty much it. I do put down random stickers, some little bits of random stickers that are from this collection that I absolutely love. I just love how this turned out. It's just perfect. And here I am, I'm placing down all of these little bits and bobs. I'm still getting things down and put down and just adding all these little sayings. I do come across where my title is going to be called Fabulous Epic. I think that that's perfect for this. And I think that, you know, I know that it's not quite, it's my title. It's going to be my title for it. I know that it may not flow, and I could have probably went epic, epic fabulous or fabulous epic, but it works out perfect. And the two stickers is what makes it the right for me, because it's black, and then that's why I come in with the black splatters to add that little bit more of a blackness. Now this is really, really bright, and with the black it tones it down just a little bit. So here is the word fabulous comes in, and then I round out with the epic at the bottom. I realize that that's where I want that. And so yeah, it works out perfect. So that rounds out the top part there to kind of bring your eye in, because you start with the camera and then you kind of flip it around. And here, this is where I come in with the word epic, and then that fits perfectly there. And then that is pretty much it. I do come in and I try to make sure that I add all these little sayings in there that match what is all about us. And then I add more coffee. The coffee cups, we do both, all of us drink coffee. I put in the little cup with the straw because that's what we're holding. And my journaling is done. So yeah, pretty much now that's left over is the splattering, and the still shots are definitely come up. Make sure that you go check out everybody in this hop. Sandy is tomorrow, and it's every day from now until the end of the hop. So I'm going to leave you with the splattering. I add a little bit of water to get that going, and that's from Shimmer's Paints. Obviously, I hope that you have a wonderful day, and I would love to have you as a subscriber, so I hope that you would like and subscribe to my channel, and I hope that you have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye!